Debian 13, Trixie, and Ubuntu 24.04 Lts Noble Numbat represent two sharply diverging philosophies in Linux, one built for purity and control, the other for convenience and polish. Debian 13 continues its legacy of stability-first design, shipping with Linux kernel 6.8, GNOME 45, and a refined APT system. It's ideal for users who want minimal interference, predictable updates, and full control over their system. No snap, no telemetry, no corporate fingerprints, just raw Linux. Ubuntu 24.04 Lts, meanwhile, is Canonical's most polished release yet. It ships with kernel 6.8, GNOME 46, and Wayland as default, plus expanded ZFS support and improved installer UX. Snap integration is deeper than ever, with core apps like Firefox and Chromium locked into the format. While this improves sandboxing and update consistency, it also introduces bloat and slower launch times. Ubuntu's strength lies in its ecosystem, vast documentation, commercial support, and seamless cloud integration. Debian 13 is for power users, sysadmins, and those who value control. Ubuntu 24.04 Lts is for developers, desktop users, and enterprise teams who want support and polish. The battle isn't about which is better, it's about which respects your workflow. Choose Debian if you want to build your system, choose Ubuntu if you want to use it immediately.